Hello friends, is your cruise control suddenly failing or does it not hold speed properly? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0595, it means there's a problem with the cruise control servo control circuit high. This can lead to unresponsive cruise control, erratic acceleration, or complete failure of the system. In this video, I'll explain what P0595 means, its symptoms, where to find the key components, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0595? The P0595 code stands for Cruise Control Servo Control Circuit High. This means that the Powertrain Control Module has detected an excessively high voltage in the cruise control servo circuit. The cruise control servo is a crucial part of the system that helps maintain vehicle speed. When this circuit has an issue, the cruise control may malfunction or stop working entirely. Common symptoms of P0595. Cruise control does not engage or disengages randomly. Cruise control light blinking or not turning on, vehicle speeds up or slows down unexpectedly when cruise control is active. Erratic acceleration when using cruise control check engine light illuminated. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the faulty component. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0595, you need to check these key components. Cruise control servo motor location, typically found near the throttle body or intake manifold. This motor adjusts throttle input when cruise control is engaged. Cruise control module location, usually mounted under the dashboard or near the firewall in the engine bay. It communicates with the PCM to control vehicle speed. Throttle position sensor location, on the throttle body near the intake manifold. This sensor helps regulate throttle response when cruise control is active. Brake pedal position, sensor location, above the brake pedal under the dashboard. A faulty sensor can mistakenly shut off cruise control. Wiring harness and connectors location, running between the cruise control servo, module and PCM. Damaged or corroded wiring can cause excessive voltage in the circuit. Tip: always check wiring connections, as loose or damaged connectors can trigger the P0595 code. Common causes of P0595 faulty cruise control servo motor. A damaged servo won't properly adjust throttle input. Short circuit in the wiring. Damaged or corroded wiring can lead to excessive voltage in the circuit. Defective cruise control module. If the module fails, it won't send proper signals to control vehicle speed. Malfunctioning brake pedal sensor. If the sensor falsely detects braking, it may disable cruise control. ECM PCM software issues, a rare but possible cause. Updating or reprogramming may be necessary. How to fix P0595. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0595 code and check for any additional fault codes. Step 2. Inspect the cruise control servo motor. If it doesn't respond when cruise control is engaged, replace it. Step 3. Check the wiring harness. Look for damaged or corroded connectors and repair or replace them as needed. Step 4. Test the cruise control module. If it's faulty, replacing it may restore proper function. Step 5. Examine the brake pedal sensor. A faulty sensor may need adjustment or replacement. Step 6. Reset the ECM and test drive the vehicle to ensure the cruise control system is working properly. Ignoring P0595 can leave you without a functioning cruise control system, affecting your driving comfort and fuel efficiency. Fixing this issue early ensures smooth and safe operation. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0436, Catalyst Temperature Sensor Circuit Range Performance. P0437, Catalyst Temperature Sensor Circuit Low Input. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.